Welcome back to the channel. Constipation is a common problem affecting an estimated 20% of the population. Delayed colonic transit, or a decrease in the movement of food through the digestive system, is one of the most common causes. A low-fiber diet, aging, and physical inactivity can also contribute to constipation. While remedies for constipation typically include laxatives, stool softeners, and fiber supplements, incorporating a few regularity-boosting foods into your diet can be a safe and effective alternative. These are top 5 healthy foods that can help you poop. So keep watching, because you will need this video sometimes. Number 1 is apples. Apples are a good source of fiber, with one small apple 5.3 ounces, or 149 grams providing 3.6 grams of fiber. Fiber passes through your intestines undigested, aiding the formation of stool and promoting regular bowel movements. Apples also contain a specific type of soluble fiber called pectin, which is known for its laxative effect. In one study, 80 participants with constipation took pectin supplements. After 4 weeks, pectin sped transit time in the colon, reduced the symptoms of constipation, and even improved digestive health by increasing the amount of beneficial bacteria in the gut. So apples can be used as a healthy topping for foods like yogurt, crepes, and oatmeal, or enjoyed on their own as a travel-friendly and nutritious snack. Number 2 is prunes. Prunes are often used as a natural laxative, and for good reason. For prunes contain 2 grams of fiber and about 7% of your daily requirements for vitamin A and potassium. Prunes also contain sorbitol, a type of sugar alcohol that your body poorly digests. It helps alleviate constipation by drawing water into the intestines, spurring a bowel movement. One review looked at 4 studies measuring the effectiveness of prunes on constipation. It found that prunes can help soften stool, improve consistency, and increase stool frequency. Another study showed that prunes made improvements in both stool frequency and consistency, compared with participants treated with psyllium fiber supplements. Prunes add a hint of sweetness when used to garnish salads and pilafs. A small glass of prune juice with no added sugar can also be a quick and convenient way to get the same constipation and busting benefits found in whole prunes. Number 3 is kiwi. Kiwi is especially high in fiber, which makes it an excellent food to help promote regularity. One medium kiwi contains 2 grams of fiber. Kiwi has been shown to stimulate movement in the digestive tract, helping induce bowel movements. One older study gave 33 constipated and 20 non-constipated participants kiwi twice daily over a 4-week period. Kiwi also helped speed up intestinal transit time, decrease laxative use, and improve symptoms of constipation. Try adding kiwi to your next smoothie or breakfast bowl for a tasty, high-fiber treat. Number 4 is flax seeds. In addition to their wide variety of health benefits, flax seeds' high fiber content and ability to promote regularity definitely make them stand out. Each 1 tablespoon serving of flax seeds contains 3 grams of fiber, including a mix of both soluble and insoluble fiber. One study showed that eating 10 grams of flaxseed daily for 12 weeks improved constipation, as well as other digestive and weight conditions. Another study showed that flaxseed may have dual effectiveness for both constipation and diarrhea. Flax seeds can add extra fiber and texture when sprinkled onto oats, yogurt, soups, and shakes. Flaxseed oil can be used in salad dressings, dips, and sauces too. And number 5 is pears. Pears can help alleviate constipation in a few ways. First, they're high in fiber. One medium pear contains 6 grams of fiber, meeting about 16% and 25% of men's and women's daily fiber needs, respectively. Pears are also high in sorbitol, a sugar alcohol that acts as an osmotic agent to pull water into the intestines and stimulate a bowel movement. Furthermore, pears contain fructose, a type of sugar that can only be absorbed in limited amounts. This is due to the way in which your body metabolizes fructose. Not only is it absorbed at a slower rate, but also large amounts of fructose can only be metabolized by your liver. Moreover, some individuals may have fructose malabsorption, a condition that affects the body's ability to absorb fructose. Like sorbitol, unabsorbed fructose acts as a natural laxative by bringing water into the intestines. Pears are incredibly versatile and easy to add to your diet. They can be included in salads, smoothies, and sandwiches or consumed raw for a sweet snack. In the end, constipation is a common problem that affects most people at some point. Though medications and supplements can help, achieving regularity is possible for most people with a high fiber, healthy diet and a few regularity-boosting foods, including a few servings of these foods each day, along with drinking plenty of water and engaging in regular physical activity, can help increase stool frequency, improve consistency, and eliminate constipation once and for all. That's all. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.